My name's Mike Glover. I'm one of the co-founders of Grits and Egg Breakfast Kitchen. You're gonna find people that are bringing their mother to breakfast, and the mothers bringing their mothers to breakfast, and they bring their kids, so you might find 4 to 5 generations having breakfast again, like a family affair. We're really building breakfast communities as opposed to building a breakfast location.
I'm Chef Rasul York. I'm one of the owners, partners, and the executive chef of Grits and Eggs Breakfast Kitchen. Cooking to me is therapeutic. You can cook food, but to me, if you just cook it and it don't have love, you can tell it in the taste. You can tell it in the flavor, you can tell it in the seasoning. It's the emotion that you're in, the state that you're in, comes out in the food.
He's just a genius in this business when it comes to recipes. And he told me that if I'm gonna have grits and eggs for my name, then I have to have some of the best grits in the business.
Learning the fundamentals of culinary is very important. You can have big dreams, but if you don't know how to get from A to B, you'll never see C. With Wrapmaster, I can teach you the proper way to wrap something. It comes with structure. That's a product that's safety first. So now I don't gotta worry about the 90,000 cuts you get when you're trying to roll something and it cuts your finger. Once you close it, it's done. The job is done. There's really no cons to Wrapmaster because it's durable. You can put it through the dishwasher. I can spill some water on the plastic, sanitize it, I can wipe it off, and I'm back to work again. You can't put in a cardboard box in the dishwasher. The only thing you can do with a cardboard box is throw it in the garbage. I don't know nobody else out there that's doing that. Once any chef looks at it, it's gonna be like 30 things he know he can do with it. The first thing you think of is safety, no more cut muscle. Number 2, how fast we can use it. I can do it, I can clean it, it's done. Number 3 is the savings of the money, maybe between 15, 20%. In this industry, it's a much needed product, especially in a busy restaurant. If you don't have it, you gotta have it.
In our next 4 stores, Wrapmaster will be in all of these locations. If we franchise, we'll make it part of the equipment package. At the end of the day, we stand behind it 100%.
Every time you see Grits and Eggs, you'll see Wrapmasters.